strategy for poverty eradication. The vicious cycle of poverty is increasing its grip. Reasons for it reasons for it have been understood in short. On the basis of it, it has become easy to understand which type of strategy is to be adopted to remove poverty. Till now, 11th plan has been completed. How many plans? 11 5 years plan. Means Panchvarshiya Yojana. 5 years plan completed here. And then after, government adopt the policy to provide more facilities to the villages like Gramoday se Bharat Uday. Now, first point for this, after independence, government has given thrust to development of large scale, heavy and key industries along with slogan Garibi Hatao, remove poverty. For their development, encouragement has been given to the development of cities. On the other hand, with the objective of Green Revolution, Land Reform Act have been implemented so that development may be there in agriculture. So as a result of the production, result of which production will increase, employment opportunities will be created, employment will be increased and poverty level could be reduced. It was believed that as a result of development of industries, benefits achieved by owners of industries, which increase income of rich farmer and landlord, and other hand, which increase more income for industrialists. So along with slow economic development and distribution of income was inequitable and unequal. As a result of income and wealth was concentrated in the hands of few rich people only. Thus, no improvement was there in the condition of poor people. As a result, improper distribution of income, rich become richer and poor become poorer. So, this is the problem for Indian economy. They expect for development by high or huge industries, but there is no development from huge industries. Second, in order to remove the disparity of income, government frames such type of taxation policy so that the poor may get commodities essential for their life and production of such commodities increases. For this purpose, heavy tax was levied on luxurious goods used by rich people, articles and services on luxury or enjoyment. For this strategy was made to provide essential commodities to the poor people from fair price shop. Take it. Take fair price shop FPS under public distribution system PDS. PDS full form is public distribution system. By doing so, it has tried to improve living standard of poor. Thus government tried that they should be decreased in the production of luxurious item. If taxes are more, then items of luxury become produced less, but they are wrong. Utilized by rich and available resources should be utilized to produce commodities used by poor people. Therefore, government has undertaken such effort. As a result, there will be increase in employment among the poor. Ability to work would increase production and finally income would increase, leading to better life. Understanding the need to improve agriculture sector, government implemented Many programs like Land Ceiling Act, Regulation of Tenancy Act, Security of Cultivating Rights, etc., so that there is decrease in the income of rich farmer and landlords and increase in income of farm labor or tenants. Tenants means who is working in farm of other people, so that they may be improvement in the condition of poor. Now government has announced the policy to encourage agriculture related industries such like cattle rearing, dairy industry, uh, pisciculture and afforestation. Afforestation means grow more forest. It helps in order to develop small irrigation schemes, household industries, cottage industries, small scale industries, etc. If we promote all type of these small scale industries, then more people can get work throughout these industries, so that employment make people self-reliant. Government has stressed on labor intensive industries, so government will also help them. Okay, now so that employment increase, at the same time it is also announced policies and help many traditional industries, handloom, cottage industries. Arrangement have been made for many household industries, so that there is increase in employment in rural area. If there is employment in rural area, so people of rural area are not coming to the city areas. It has made arrangement to see that the youth of rural are get opportunities of alternative employment. For this purpose, objective based education, training, skill development programs have been started. Government has implemented programs of self-employment as a part of strategy to improve their condition. For this purpose, new fields employment have been opened so that their income increases. Government has improved the structure of education, health, residence, employment, family planning, communication, etc. It has improved irrigation facilities, roads, crop protection, skills and training field, agriculture developed, may get development because of small scale irrigation or some instruments which are needed in agriculture. This is provided by government. Varieties of crop, bank loans for obtaining seeds, fertilizer, tractor, etc. Such type of variety of steps have been undertaken for rural upliftment. Employment field have been created in the home itself, so that youth does not migrate towards the cities, which causes the burden of population in cities. It has started schools at the villages, and secondary and higher secondary schools have been opened at the close distance. By starting colleges at a closer distance, facilities has been created to provide technical and vocational courses and training centers in order to take care those students complete their higher studies. They are encouraged by giving them motivation in the form of economic help like scholarship, facility of fees reduction, school promoting girls education. Many programs for women empowerment have been started, but we learn in chapter number 20. And self-reliant economically. Various solid steps have been taken to create self-employment. Thus, government is taking valid steps to combat the demon of poverty strategically, India will have to take India will have to take firm steps to fulfill the dreams of eradicating deep-rooted problems of poverty and complete the mission of World Bank regarding eradication of poverty from the world by 2030. Let's now poverty alleviation program. In order to make poverty alleviation solution successful, the rural and urban people living below poverty line should get direct financial benefit from various welfare schemes. There may be change in the names of these programs, but the basic objective is to create opportunity of employment for families suffering from poverty, improve agriculture, rural upliftment, food security, provide education, develop skills through training so we may brought them above poverty line. Present central and state government has implemented and main welfare programs. It has tried to improve living standard of poor in cities by improving geographical and infrastructural services. With the reduction in unemployment, poverty will reduce. Now, poverty alleviation program or schemes may be divided into 5 sections: wage-based employment program, self-employment program, programs related to food security, program related to social safety, programs of elimination of poverty in urban areas. Presently, many series of programs are implemented in these 5 sections, but we will be making complete and omnibus discussion of main programs out of them. Like major programs, following schemes mentioned are Pradhan Mantri. First is Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. Sinchai means irrigation. Under National Agriculture Plan, there should be increase in agriculture growth rate and sector related to it. Improvement in irrigation facilities. Irrigation facilities should reach every part of agriculture land. Drip irrigation system should be used along with construction of small, big, medium-sized check dams to combat water problem so that every field gets water. Such type of steps have been taken so that farmers are saved from danger of agriculture and debt. So, each and every field, if get proper rain or proper irrigation facility, then production of crops become very good. And in this case, they can sell the crop to the market and got proper money or income. If they got proper income, then we can take them out of poverty line. So, they become free from the vicious circle of poverty by providing them employment in order to fulfill their income. Now, second one is Prime Minister Farm Safety Insurance Plan. If by any case, like more rain or no rain, by any type of insects, bacteria sprayed over the crop, and if the crop will destroyed, then government provide insurance as like our life insurance. Okay, if we are not there, government or insurance company will provide us money, or our families, they provide money to our families as per our insurance amount. Similarly, this type of insurance is taken by government for farmers. If the crop fails, then government provide insurance money to the farmer.
Insurance
You start. By this improving farm safety insurance plan, farmers are to be helped at the time of natural calamity by providing them economic support for flood or drought. Government started giving bonus to purchase cotton and concession at loss or damage of crop. Kshati Mukta Krishi Bhav Panch has been set up to stabilize the prices. Now, National Drinking Water Program. Programs like providing water to every field, improving existing canal network. Each and every canal from the farmers can get irrigation facilities. Stop soil erosion, new tube wells for tribals, prevention of salinity. Salinity means salty. Salinity have been implemented. Other than this program of digging ponds, watershed development, construction of tanks, conservation of rainwater, afforestation, constructing lining of canal, planting trees and shrubs, renovation and revitalization of check dams, etc., have been started so that people get employment in the rural areas and families come out of vicious circle of poverty. State government has provided finance at low rate of interest from bank for kharif crop, cattle rearing, storing fertilizer, and also taken solid steps in irrigation schemes of central government. Now, Gujarat government has undertaken programs for poverty elimination. Since last 10 years, government has been organizing poverty welfare for helping farmer to become self-reliant. Now, IMP 2 marker scheme, E-NAM, 2 marks. E means internet. Internet connected, or we can say e-payment. Under this program, agriculture market has been set up for farmer, in which farmer may get their product listed online. Online trader may bid from the any place. Objective of this plan is to save farmer from loss faced by them due to mediators, brokers, and they get more remuneration or earning more economic profit due to competition. Thus, such steps should be taken which develop agriculture and yield maximum returns, so the farmer remains involved in agriculture business. Now, 4 marker question is there. Gramoday se Bharat Uday. 4 marker question. Through such program, farmer oriented plan have been made to prevent loss faced by farmer due to wild animal damaging crops by providing them economic help to build fencing to protect them crops, production of grass for cattle at the time of crisis or drought, and to help the construction cattle shelter for rain forecasting. Also, it is very good for them, and discovering mineral rich region through ultra modern satellite or drone technique. Provision is made to maintain record of land survey. They get help in the form of availability of finance at low rate of interest. Mechanization of farming means to use more instruments or like tractor, thresher, pump set, these all things. To produce tractor, mini tractor, help in the form of subsidy, help in construction of water tank for storage rainwater, improving quality of plantation crop like grapes. like bottle gourd, computerization in agriculture. Finance Society set up a new testing laboratories for production of cotton, pulses, spices, management to see that farmer gets suitable price, making pond deep by removing soil from them, increasing drops and size, construction of farm pond, cleaning the canals and the reservoirs for water storage and increasing their length, resettlement of water tank and repairing of check dams and increasing water storage capacity, etc. These all are the aims for Gramodaya se Bharat Uday, means to develop India with development of villages, so that farmer may get employment during time apart from farming. At the same time, permanent property is set up in rural area. Thus, central as well as from farm as well as state government have tried to save farmer from debt by helping them through these schemes. Now, third one is Din Dayal Din Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana. This plan is an effort to supply electricity to rural areas without any hindrance, 24/7 day and night, providing electricity at home and farms at concessional rate. Lay down new lines to take electricity facility for 18,000 villages which do not have electricity. Setting up new electricity substation and helping farmer by providing subsidy to purchase equipment for agriculture sector, so that poor farmer may get support to increase income. Subsidy is also provided for obtaining electricity through solar energy and to purchase solar technical equipments. Now, subsidy under the scheme Van Bandhu Kalyan Yojana for around development of Adivasi. Adivasi women are provided with training and guidance for livestock rearing under the Comprehensive Dairy Development Employment Scheme for the development of creeper crop in agriculture and plantation. The construction pavilions means pandals means in which they can grow or create their work, grow their plants like grapes or something. Pandals, organic farming, grading, packaging, etc. Samras hostel and Samras smart ashram are also established. Now, encouragement to organic farming. In this, helping farmer in registration, paying fees, help in purchasing from product, arrangement for training and education of farmer, finance at low rate, arrangement for setting up proper market, etc., along with environment protection and reduction in expenditure in agriculture sector are the major objectives of this scheme. Chief Minister Village Road Scheme. Under this, planning is done regarding work related to roads. Village Panchayat were helped to connect villages with one another through roads and highways. Programs like construction of toilets are implemented. Toilets, each and every place. Soch Maha Sauchalay, behalf of this scheme. Now, seventh point is most IMP. 2 or 3 marker question. Ma Annapurna Yojana. Under this program, absolute poor family and people living below poverty line in cities and villages are given 35 kg food grain per family every month by Gujarat government, which is provided free of cost, and poor people of middle class are given 5 kg food grain at low rate, too much low rate, in which wheat is given only 2 rupees per kg and rice is on 3 rupees per kg, and also other meals will given at low rate. 3.82 crore people who are covered under this scheme and get the benefits of food security, because of which a large sum of money spent on the food will be saved. Objective behind it is to bring happiness on the face of people, because they would be spending their savings to purchase other things and improve their living standard. Now, Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana, objective of this scheme is to stop migration of people, generally youngsters, from villages to cities. For this member of the parliament improve education, health, employment facilities in the village adopted by them in their constituency. Thus they set up ideal village. Other than this, to create permanent public asset, to development opportunities for good life, rural upliftment, taking care of cultural heritage, creating opportunities for employment through social harmony, increase in human development, etc. These all things are effect on this. Now, IMP topic, 3 marker, Manrega. Manrega, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guaranteed Act. Employment oriented Manrega program has been popular with the slogan "Our village, our work along with reasonable price." In this case, they have to work in their own village for their own facility with salary, and also sometimes there is a food. Objective of Manrega is to enhance livelihood for families or adults living in rural areas of the state who can do physical labor through unskilled but are willing to work. They want to work but they are not skilled. For this purpose, one person of the every family is guaranteed wage employment for at least 100 days, 7 hours per day. In financial year, the government has fixed wages rate. Accordingly, it pays daily wages. If after asking for work, government fails to provide employment of village construction, government have to pay allowance, unemployment allowance. They have to give some fixed money, for they cannot give work. Now, in this work, like work of development of a village, construction of personal toilets, personal well, work leveling the land plane, horticulture, it means plantations, labor work in Indira Awas Yojana, cattle shed, making organic manure, shade for cocks and goat, yard for drying fish, cleaning canal, work related to water storage, tree plantation on road are included in this. By guaranteeing defined wage based employment from this to every family, government tries to improve living standard of poor under this program. Now small programs are there like Mission Mangalam. Through this program, state government has united women from families living below poverty line with Sakhi Mandal or self-helping group. Here they are giving skill-based training so that they may generate unemployment for themselves through household industries circle and come out from the vicious circle of poverty by preparing papad, pickle, agarbatti, all these things. Now, Dattopant Thengdi Vyaj Sahay Yojana. Through this scheme, government provide loans to artisans of handicraft and handloom cottage industries at low rate of interest to purchase raw materials, like government take only 2 or 3% rate of interest, while if we take car or house, then government will take or charge 9 to 10% from us. Jyoti Gramoday Vikas Yojana. Objective of this plan is provide self-employment opportunities to unemployed in the rural areas to increase income and set up industries by giving them economic help and subsidy for establishing industrial plants, implement electricity, land, etc. with the new idea of Startup India. Government provides training, free electricity, land and economic help to the unemployed youth who are interested in setting up industries. Bajpai Bankable Yojana. Under the program Urban and Rural Employment, age group of 18 to 65 who are educated till 4th standard are given training so that they may set up industries or carry traditional craft. They are also given finance of fixed amount so that they may generate self-employment. Through Agro-Business Policy 2016, state government has implemented plan to provide employment to 10 lakh people by setting up agro-food processing unit along with helping in export of processed food product so that poverty may be reduced. Now unemployment. This is the half section of chapter is completely here. Hello friends, I am Bhumir sir. Please મારી ચેનલ ભૂમિર સર એને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરો અને સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 9th 10th 11th 12th ઇંગ્લિશ મીડિયમ ગુજરાતી મીડિયમ બંનેના ગુજરાતી સંસ્કૃત અને એસએસ ત્રણેય સબ્જેક્ટના વિડીયોઝ તમે જોઈ શકશો. ઓકે, આ ચેનલ પબ્લિકલી છે જેમાં કોઈ બીજા કન્ટેન્ટ્સ નથી, ઓનલી એજ્યુકેશન રિલેટેડ છે. સો પ્લીઝ દરેક જણ આ ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરતા રહો અને નવા નવા વિડીયોઝ તમે જોઈ શકશો. તમારા બાળકોને અથવા તો ફ્રેન્ડ સર્કલમાં કોઈ પણ હોય એને પણ તમે આ વિડીયોઝ બતાવી શકશો. ઓકે, સો થેન્ક યુ ફોર ધીસ કોઓપરેશન. ઓકે, બાય.